will talk about how can you disable comments on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you is like this. Click here on profile. Then you come to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down here. Then you click here on activity filter. Just click on it. Then you come to this list here. Come here to comments. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean comments disabled with us now. Go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.